DIY crown flowers, colored papers, glitters, glue, crystal stickers. I don't know how to explain it. I just watched this DIY paper flower in YouTube. I just put the link in the description if you want to check it out. By making this kind of paper flower, I suggest to use recycled materials.
My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along?
Kids, if you want to make this kind of DIY flowers, please ask help to your parents or guardian because scissors is pointy and sharp.
No matter how far, there is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time, baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so right. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed
Wow,
me
ang
if we're
ganda.
together.
Sana
It
all.
don't matter
Siya.
if it rains.
Ayun guys, update tayo. Ito pala yung aming nagagawa. Ito yung design. Ayan. Makalat pa siya. Update lang guys para dun sa mga nagawa na ito. Blue. Ito, white na may mix na pink. Ayan, yellow na may mix ng white. Ayan, red, white. Ayan. Ito na yung pinakang gagawan ko. Ayan, ito yung pinakang, ang tawag dito, base niya. Ayan, dinikitan ko lang siya ng stick glue. Ayan, stick glue. Kasi hindi siya pwede ng glue. Medyo mabigat to pag pinagsama-sama lahat. Ayan. Tatry ko kung anong kalalabasan nito. Gagawa pa kami ng medyo maliliit yung pwedeng isingit. Ayan guys, this is our final product. Ayan, di ko na nilagyan sa likod. Ayun. Yan yung mga flower niya. Ayan. Ito. Nilagyan na lang namin ng dahon na may mga glitters. Ayan. And hope you like this video, guys. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
As bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far.